Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Chronos Rulers. So in this anime story, there are some people who can use Oath of Time. So with that item, they can slow or speed up time. So in this anime, there are some monsters who steal time from humans for themselves. And our main character and the likes of them hunt those monsters. Other than those monster huntings, our main characters also have some complicated past. So one of them is trying to find out what really happened in his past, and other one also trying to know that. But there are some people in this anime who is trying to stop our main character from finding his past. So now why they are doing it and what happened in our main character's past, to find out you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Orange. So in this anime story, our heroine is in high school and one day she got a letter from herself in the future. On that letter, her future self mentioned about a boy who about to transfer to the same school as our heroine, and something bad is going to happen with him. So our heroine's future self asked that she protect the guy. At first, our present heroine didn't really believe that letter for obvious reasons, but turned out everything happening same as written on that letter. So now, without any doubt, that letter is real. So now, what our heroine gonna do? Is she really gonna try to protect the guy, or what's gonna happen? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Plunderer. So in this anime world, every people have a number attached with them. So that number represent something they likes to do and how good or bad they are in the stuff they like. So those numbers have really high value in this anime. So if someone have really high number, they became super powerful. So now in this anime story, our heroine, she is searching for someone known as Legendary Ace. So before our heroine's mother died, she gave our heroine something and she's supposed to deliver this to a Legendary Ace. And starting in the anime, she finally found one. But this Legendary Ace, our main character in this anime, he is a total pervert. So now what this truly is all about, to know that you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is The Secret Blacksmith. In this anime story, there used to be some people who made contract with demons and got some really serious demonic powers from them. So a lot of fight between good and evil happened and good peoples win. So now in this anime story, our heroine's father used to be a protector of sword, used to guard the city, and now our heroine gonna start doing the same job. Because of that, she got a special sword from her father, but on her first battle, that sword broke. Still, she managed to survive out of that battle because of our main character. After that, she gone to a blacksmith to repair that sword, and she found out there is only one person who can repair it. Obviously, that person is our main character in this anime. So he is super good blacksmith in this anime, and with that, he is super good with swords too. So now, our heroine on a journey to find the blacksmith, our main character in this anime. So she gonna find him soon enough. After that, both of them and few others gonna make a team and start doing something else. So it's a decent one. Try it out. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video, but the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on, so you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. is all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.